In this video, I'll show you how to solve the ALEKS problem called Understanding the Prefixes Used in Naming Binary Compounds. In this problem, you're going to be given the name of 4 different molecular compounds, and you're asked to come up with the chemical formula for them. So in the name, we are going to read it from left side to right side. The name is going to give us information about what atom we have and also the quantity of each one of those atoms. The quantity is indicated using prefixes. So for example, in our first formula here, it says dichlorine. Chlorine obviously is referring to the element chlorine, and that di is referring to the quantity of 2. So di means that we have 2. Dichlorine means we have 2. Monoxide, the mon is referring to the quantity and the oxide is referring to the formula or the atom oxygen. Remember, all of our anions or the ending of all of our molecules' names have been changed to "ide." So you kind of have to think oxide. You're not going to find oxide on the periodic table, but what atom is there on the periodic table that starts with ox? And that's how you'll come up with that. Mon is the prefix for 1. Mon, or sometimes it's mono. It depends on what atom is being used in combination with the mono. For our next one, we have carbon tetrachloride. Notice that there's no prefix here in front of the carbon. That means that there's just one. And then tetra, that is our prefix for 4. So tetrachloride means that we have 4 chlorides, CCl4. Carbon, again with no prefix, that means you only have 1. Monoxide, just like up here, that means 1 single oxygen. And then last but not least, we have carbon. Without a prefix, that means that there's just 1. We have dioxide. Di means 2. Oxide is oxygen, CO2. You may also see tri, that would be our prefix for 3. Penta is the prefix for 5. And hexa, maybe you'll get that far, is a prefix of 6. That's probably all that you'll come across for this problem.